What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a table of contents almost like this one, okay, that leads to the content into the top of the post, of the page, of the tutorial, that leads to the content part from the headings to organize the content. However, we're gonna learn how to create one that is SEO friendly for free. So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. We bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started, and gonna be quick. Go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? From the dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Once you load this page, next to the keyword into the upper right corner, into the field called Search Plugins, we're gonna type All-in-One SEO. We already have some guides about it. We're gonna click on Install this. After, we're gonna click on Activate. As soon as you click into the Activate button, the plugin gonna lead you to the Setup page. Once I already have made the setup, this gonna not lead me to this page. It's gonna lead to the plugins list. However, if you're first time using this plugin, the plugin would like to know more about your site. For example, your business, your objective, your goals, okay? So just complete the form. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one, or into the plugin homepage, almost like this one, right here. No needs to worry, okay? It's normal. But as soon as you install the plugin, no sets are required. You can go to any of your posts, pages, or tutorials. Go to the editor. And into the top of the post, for example, we can click into the plus button and just search for table. And here we go, all-in-one SEO table of contents. And this is what we have. We can reveal, remove, link and unlink to the parts of the posts into the table of contents that is SEO friendly, okay? So this plugin gonna automatically find the titles of your content, for example, age 2, age 2, age 2, and age 3, and put inside the blocks just like this, okay? So simple, easy, and effective. After changes made, update the post. Now let's review the post. And this is what we have, a table of contents that Google likes and is SEO friendly. Simple, easy, effective, and for free. No needs to pay the pro version of this plugin. You can keep everything for free and still benefit of the SEO analyzer and reviewer, okay? So this is the guide for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress theme, in addition to our free WordPress plugin, the Borders, in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg blocks editor. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of a free WordPress theme to jumpstart your site, go to your WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Enzu WordPress theme, click on Install and Activate it. It's all yours and gonna give you amazing customization options. And as a final note, in the case that you are in need of your site up and running faster, count on our full support, unlock access to our full templates library, premium icon, premium plex, premium blocks, premium templates, and many pro features. For a cheap price, go to visualmodel.com, purchase the Visual Model Pass, and go premium. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.